Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Charge the watch to at least 80% and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the manufacturer's app and sign in. Create a new account if prompted because syncing needs an account. Put the watch on snugly, about 1/2 to 1 finger width above your wrist bone, so sensors read accurately. Once done, follow the app's Add Device flow. Grant permissions for location and notifications, and set basic profile info like height, weight, and dominant hand. You now handle pairing and initial configuration. In the app, select your watch model and confirm the pairing code or scan the QR. Wait for firmware download. This can take 5–10 minutes. Once paired, set concrete goals, daily steps, active minutes, and sleep targets because goals guide the watch's feedback. Customize the watch face and arrange widgets for workouts, heart rate, and whether so relevant data is one swipe away. Make sure notifications are enabled selectively to avoid constant interruptions during workouts. You finalize setup by learning daily use. Start activities directly on the watch and wait for GPS and heart rate locks for accurate tracking. Sync at least once per day so the app keeps long-term trends. Focus on patterns over single session numbers. Backup settings in the app and enable auto-updates to receive firmware fixes. If you ever cannot sync, try this troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth, force close the app, restart phone and watch, then reopen the app. This resolves most pairing or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.